Hey guys, so today is Wednesday, April 17th. How did that happen? And I am back with a new vlog. So my first moving vlog went up. I have no idea when this vlog's going up, but it's already up, so I will link it down below. But I thought I would take you along again today. I'm going to be doing some packing up of my office, and I also want to work on my closet. So I thought it would be a good time to do some more vlogging. I don't know where to hold the camera. So we are still in the process of moving. So today is, like I said, Wednesday the 17th. So this house is closed on next Friday, the 26th. And the buyers are going to be doing like their final walkthrough because there was like a couple of things in the inspection that we like changed up or whatever. So they're doing their final walkthrough Thursday morning at the 25th. So we have to be fully out and have the house cleaned by that time because that's just when we're going to like leave the keys and everything with our realtors here and such, and you know, just stay in our new town. So we have just over a week to go, and I'm starting to feel very stressed. We want to be moved out by this weekend. Actually, we have an event happening in the Des Moines area on Friday. I know this video will already go up, but it's a surprise for my best friend. She just finished her master's degree. So her husband put together a little like surprise party for her. So that's gonna be on Friday. So we want to stay, like we'll have our bed and stuff here since we'll still be in town, but then either Saturday or Sunday, it is Easter Sunday, but either Saturday or Sunday we're going to rent a U-Haul to be able to put our bed in and like my giant desk in there, and some of our other furniture, couch, chair, you know, things like that. We will have the U-Haul come and take everything out over the weekend, and then we will have the next few days of early next week to come back and clean and make sure everything is nice and ready for the new buyers of this house. So yeah, so we have a lot to do. So I am just going to probably just play some music and set my camera down and try to pack up my office. Again, I'm trying to, maybe we'll try to go through my clothes today, maybe, and also kind of pack up my car, because tomorrow, Thursday, pending weather, because we're supposed to have some bad storms, but pending weather, I'm planning to drive out to the new house myself, take another carload, unpack a few things, you know, just kind of see what I can do at the new house and all of that. So I'll probably show, you know, maybe a little bit of packing up of my car, but I'll show you my office here, what it looks like right now. I did just get done filming a video, and you know, I was doing my makeup for it. So like my desk is a giant disaster, but yeah, I have definitely a lot that I need to pack up. I still do have my lights on, or my lights up in my office too, which isn't normal. Normally they are stored in the basement. But yeah, I'll just show you around, and if you guys want to pack with me. Sounds like fun. I wish you guys were actually packing with me. I wasn't doing it by myself. This is what my office is looking like right now. Look at the queen. What's that pose, girlfriend? Oh my gosh, you kill me. So I have like my ring light has been disassembled because I was going to take that out there. I have my soft boxes up from when I was filming earlier. I have like some camera equipment. I have some boxes that I've started to pack over there. I want to get everything off my bookshelf today. Sorry, with the lights, it's probably a little bit hard, but I want to get everything off my bookshelf today because Mitch might take my bookshelf tomorrow. I'm not sure. Otherwise, we might wait for the U-Haul, but I want to get everything off of this bookshelf. The drawers I'm probably just going to move, but maybe I'll go through them. I don't know. And then I have like a really messy desk. There's Amy Loves Makeup. Hello. Got my other laptop, editing a video. I need to do something about this desk and organizing it and trying to decide the best way to transport my makeup and all of that. I have more makeup over here and some boxes and mailers. And then this little table can also go. I might try to take this in my car tomorrow if I can, but I might just try to get this out. So that's kind of what I'm doing with my office today. So let me get started.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill. Get my fill.
I did get quite a bit packed up. I am sweating. I don't know if you noticed in the first clips I was wearing the shirt that I filmed in, but only the first two buttons were buttoned, and then it was like, woo, because that's what you do when you are a YouTuber. You don't care what you look like from like here down. But I got quite a bit packed. I packed up the majority of my eyeshadow palettes. I did keep out some, just, you know, obviously just in case, and like I need options. But I packed up like foundations, concealers. I have a couple of my favorites in like my everyday bag that I kept out. But I packed up foundations, concealers, eyeshadow palettes. I got that little table. Oh, I do still want to put my ring light in my car. I almost forgot about that. I do have these two boxes right here. So this one is just like random stuff around my office that I can kind of throw in there, and like organizers and stuff. The box next to it is actually a declutter box. So as I've been going through and packing up my makeup, anything that I'm like, you know what, I don't think I really need this, I'm gonna do a moving declutter, like items that didn't make the cut to come to the new house, you know? So probably by the time this vlog is up, that video might be up. I don't really know for sure, but so I do have a declutter box there, but I definitely still have a lot of work to do in my office, but I feel better and I have a bunch of stuff packed in my car so I can go take it and start to get organized. But I'm feeling pretty good about things at this particular moment in time. I was gonna do my closet, but honestly that took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. And like I said, like I am sweating, it is warm. I moved all those really heavy boxes. Like I moved 2 boxes that I packed from our kitchen and they were so heavy. I moved everything by myself because I'm home alone right now. So yeah, I kind of just want to break, maybe have some ice cream as a snack, and I will plan to take you guys out tomorrow, again, pending weather, but I really do want to get out there, especially since I just put a bunch of stuff in my car. I want to get out there. Aries is behind me here. She's got her sweater on. It's kind of warm, but it was thundering earlier, and this is like it's a tight sweater, and it's kind of similar to her thunder shirt where it keeps her, like, it just makes her feel a little bit more safe. So I put that, oh, you sweet baby. I put that on her just to help her feel a little bit more secure and snug in there. That, and I can't find her thunder shirt, so I don't know which drawer that's in, or could be at the new house. So that's what we did. You're just a baby. Tell everyone that you loved their comments. Yeah, you tell everyone that you loved their comments in the first vlog. Everyone commented about you. You're the star. I know, you are so sweet. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a few moments to rest and get back to editing some videos and all that fun stuff, but I will probably see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday, April 18th. We just made it out to the new house. We actually didn't have terrible weather, so that was good, and the sun's kind of shining this morning. So I brought in another carload, so I have to go get all that stuff out of my car and bring it in here. Yeah, so probably just another quick trip, dropping some stuff off, and maybe I'll kind of see how I want to organize my room. I unlocked our door and for some reason shoved my hand into the door and broke my thumbnail, so it actually hurts really bad. I was gonna get my nails done today, and now I have a broken thumbnail and it really hurts. So that kind of stinks because I feel like I'm babying my right hand at this moment, but I need to bring everything in from my car, so thought I'd just do a little bit of vlogging at the new place today. Aries is, of course, having so much fun with these windows, and we have this beautiful tree right outside this window, and it's getting some flowers on it. How cute! Love that. So yeah, so we're just gonna do a little bit of unpacking here. Aries will supervise me, and yeah, that's what I'm up to this morning.
I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I am cursed by every day till my time is gone. I've never felt this way before, and now I know this all for sure. I won't forget your last betray. I'll never forget this day.
Everything from my car into the house. This is one of my office spaces, so I've just been kind of putting all of the boxes in here for right now until I decide like what I'm really doing. So this isn't even everything. We still have stuff at the old house that I'm gonna need to get, so I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna organize today just because I feel like I need everything. I need all of my organization. I only have this table. I don't have my desk, my other desk, my bookshelf. So yeah, whew, those are some heavy boxes, man.
I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day. I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I'm cursed by every day till my time is gone.
I think that's all I'm going to do today. Just another quick trip out here, but I got some stuff put in the closet. I got some like of our towels and stuff put away. I put just like some skincare backups and stuff in my bathroom underneath the sink. You know, brought a bunch of more stuff out from my office, which is good, but I'll be really excited to get all of like my desks so I can really start to organize and see what I think of things. But yeah, I think I'm going to maybe just kind of tidy up the kitchen a little bit because it's a little bit messy, and take Aries outside one more time, but then we're probably gonna get back on the road. So just another quick trip today, but I will see you guys in the next clips, which I don't know what are going to be. Hello guys, so today is Saturday, April 20th, and today is our big moving day. We just we just got the U-Haul, just picked up the U-Haul, and we are going to be moving a bunch of stuff into that, getting all of the big furniture out of here and so on. So I will probably just be kind of setting the camera in like random areas and doing some vlogging that way, but today is the big day. So I am still in my office right now, which is pretty much all packed up. So just kind of have like some of these random boxes in here, but I have a little bit on my desk that I still need to dust off, and then I have this other desk over here. Look at my messy laptop. Let's do that. Okay, so I need to, obviously I'm gonna pack up my laptops, but I just kind of wait till the last minute because of course I'm still like doing a bunch of things. But oh really girl, oh good girl, are you helping? So yeah, so this is just kind of what my office is looking like right now, and I've just been kind of putting some boxes in here just to help kind of get them out of the way. But need to tape up that box, and yeah, like I said, move a bunch of our big furniture into the U-Haul. So come along and pack up this house with us.
Sure, I won't forget your last betray. I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day. Forget this day. I'll never forget this day. I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I am cursed by every day till my time is gone. I've never felt this way before, and now I know this all for sure. I won't forget your last betray. I'll never forget this day.